When you're outdoors, things can go really well or really wrong. You never know what might happen out there, and it's not always safe. But the good news is, if you're prepared, you can handle almost anything. That's why we've put together a list of Doomsday survival gadgets and tools you might need. Let's begin. Gearing up for the unexpected, the Kahaka 15-liter Combat and Day Pack stands out as a versatile and sturdy option for all carrying needs. This compact pack features a 15-liter capacity, expandable by an additional 5 liters through its pleated side pouches, making it perfect for stowing survival essentials. The spacious main compartment is designed with a fold-top closure secured by SR buckles for easy access, while a dedicated hydration bladder compartment ensures you stay hydrated on the go. With compression straps and attachment points, you can secure extra gear, and an external zippered pouch keeps smaller items readily accessible. Comfort is prioritized with a removable back pad made from closed-cell foam, doubling as a sitting or kneeling pad when needed. The padded contoured shoulder straps, complete with D-rings for adjustability and a removable sternum strap, offer a customized fit. Built from durable 1000D and 500D Cordura, the Kahaka 15 is ready for rugged use, ensuring reliability for any Doomsday scenario. A reliable personal defense tool that also acts as a flashlight, the Battlight 1500 is designed specifically for low visibility situations. With a formidable 1500 lumen spotlight, this flashlight delivers exceptional brightness to illuminate dark environments, while its defensive strobe mode can disorient potential threats, providing vital seconds to react and strategize. Constructed from durable aluminum, it features a textured grip for secure handling and a rubber bumper to absorb impacts, ensuring it stands up to tough conditions. The light is also IPX6 water resistant, making it suitable for use in rain or adverse weather, which is crucial for survival scenarios. Despite its robust features, this flashlight remains lightweight and manageable, measuring only 16 inches in length. Whether you're navigating through low-light areas or need a reliable tool for personal protection, the Battlight 1500 stands out as an essential part of any prepper's gear collection. For preppers focused on comprehensive emergency readiness, the Mira Safety Geiger 2 is a tool that combines a radiation detector and dosimeter in a compact portable package. This lightweight device, weighing under 100 grams, features a water-resistant housing and a built-in solar panel, ensuring reliability even in adverse conditions. The Geiger 2 effectively detects ionizing radiation levels from 0 to 999 microsieverts per hour using a gas-filled tube, providing real-time readings crucial for personal safety. Additionally, it tracks accumulated radiation doses over 30 days, offering valuable data for medical professionals if exposure occurs. Its versatility allows it to monitor ambient radiation levels during daily activities, travel, or emergencies, such as nuclear incidents, helping users make informed decisions about evacuation or sheltering in place. Lastly, the Geiger 2's user-friendly interface features multiple menus and customizable settings, making it easy to operate. The SOF tourniquet is an indispensable tool designed to control life-threatening bleeding in limbs effectively. A life-saving feature is the slack indicator, which ensures the tourniquet is properly tightened by signaling any remaining slack. The buckle facilitates smoother, one-handed use, allowing for rapid application during high-stress situations. Additionally, the webbing material boosts durability and ease of handling, making it a reliable choice when every second counts. Proper application is crucial. For example, for arm injuries, position the tourniquet at least 3 inches above the wound, ensuring no slack remains, and turn the windlass until bleeding stops. For leg injuries, loop the strap under the natural bend, reconnect the buckle, and tighten it as needed. It can also serve to stop poisoning in the scenario of snake bites. Overall, the SOF tourniquet's design and straightforward application process make it a vital component in any Doomsday survival kit. ProCampTech Fire Strip Roll stands out as an indispensable item for anyone serious about preparedness. Measuring 50 feet in length and compressed into a compact 3-inch puck, this fire starter is made from thick, fibrous timber pulp soaked in water-resistant wax, ensuring it lights up even in damp conditions. Its design allows for easy storage in backpacks or survival kits, ready to be deployed at a moment's notice. Using it is simple. Just cut a length from the roll, fray the edges, and ignite it with a ferro rod, flint-based wheel igniter, or a simple lighter. Whether you're navigating harsh environments or hunkering down in your bug-out location, the Fire Strip roll delivers consistent fire-starting performance, removing the worry of wet or unreliable tinder. This essential tool is tailored for those who refuse to leave their survival to chance, offering a practical and compact solution to staying warm and cooking when things go south. In a doomsday scenario, having the right tools at your fingertips can make all the difference. And the SOL Phoenix Multi-Purpose Survival Tool is the kind of gear you don't want to be without. This compact and lightweight powerhouse, no bigger than a pocket knife, packs 8 crucial survival functions, ensuring you're prepared for the unexpected. From fire-starting capabilities, including a waterproof tinder that burns up to 3 minutes and a reliable ferro rod, to a fixed drop-point knife with a serrated edge for cutting through kindling or rope, the Phoenix has it all. Its built-in wrench comes in handy for gear repairs, while the flathead screwdriver allows for easy access to battery compartments. In a pinch, the LED light provides much-needed illumination, with a flashing mode for emergency signaling, and the 100 decibel whistle ensures you're heard when help is needed. Weighing just 7 ounces, it's ideal for tossing in your go bag, offering multifunctional use without adding bulk, giving peace of mind for the unexpected challenges that lie ahead. Dependable lighting can be the key to navigating through chaos, and the ThruNite Catapult Pro flashlight delivers the kind of performance that preppers can rely on. This compact searchlight pushes a stunning 2,700 lumens of brightness, far outshining any run-of-the-mill flashlight. Thanks to its high-performance LED and a robust 5,000 mAh lithium-ion battery, which conveniently recharges via USB-C, this flashlight is built to keep going when others fail. What sets the Catapult Pro apart is its ability to light up targets a full kilometer away. Whether you're scanning for threats or signaling for help, it's got the reach. Its tough aircraft-grade aluminum body doesn't just provide unmatched durability. This is the kind of gear that belongs in every bug-out bag, a flashlight that ensures you're never left in the dark when it truly matters. In a doomsday survival situation, staying connected and powered up could be critical, and the Big Blue solar charger is the kind of charger that gets the job done. Designed for rugged outdoor use, this charger offers an impressive energy conversion rate of up to 23.5%, outperforming most typical solar chargers that barely hit 15%. Equipped with 3 USB Type-A ports, the Solar POA allows for simultaneous charging of multiple devices, delivering up to 5-volt BT 2.4A per port, ensuring you're never left with dead electronics. Its smart charge technology automatically adjusts output to suit each device, safeguarding against overcharging, overheating, and short circuits. The foldable design not only maximizes solar absorption, but also keeps everything compact for transport. With its zippered pocket for device security and built-in ammeter display, this solar charger ensures you're always powered up and prepared for whatever challenges come your way. In a doomsday survival scenario, you need a reliable communication device like the Midland ER310 emergency crank radio. This versatile device combines an AM/FM radio with NOAA weather alerts, ensuring you stay informed about changing conditions. With its powerful LED flashlight featuring multiple settings, low beam, high beam, and a flashing Morse code SOS, the ER310 lights up the darkest nights. It operates on a rechargeable battery, which can be conveniently charged via USB or through hand cranking, although the latter is a slower process. The user-friendly design allows easy switching between AM, FM, and NOAA bands with a simple press of a button, while tuning is easily managed with up and down buttons. A cool feature is the WX Alert function, which silently monitors NOAA broadcasts and sounds an alarm when severe weather warnings are issued, Overall, compact, multifunctional, and dependable, the Midland ER310 is essential for anyone serious about survival when the unexpected strikes. When venturing into the backwoods, having a reliable shelter is crucial, and the One Tigris Bushcraft Shelter 2.0 is designed with survivalists in mind. Crafted from 75D ripstop nylon, this shelter is built to withstand the elements with its waterproof seams. Weighing only 1450 grams, it fits for backpacking, traveling, and camping. The versatile design allows to set up a porch area with the canopy or zip it up into a sturdy A-frame tent. With features like reinforced grommets, wide double K zippers, and a double layered entrance for superb ventilation, this tent is ready for any season. The thoughtful details, including a lantern attach point and tie-out points for extra stability, make it a standout choice. Plus, it comes with 10 lightweight aluminum stakes, 6 guy lines, and a waterproof compression bag for easy carrying. Whether you're trekking or hiking, the One Tigris Bushcraft Shelter 2.0 can be the perfect fit for any prepared survivalist.